Okay. Whoa. What is up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel of Absolute Rebuilds. In the coming two videos, we're not going to rebuild anything, but we're going to enjoy our holidays and we would like to take you with us on our holiday. Hopefully you guys enjoy our traveling video, but first we will start with a small tour of our home. Okay guys, so this is our mobile home. We got a nice front porch right here. Don't mention all the mess because we've been out on the water the whole day. Got the wakeboard sitting there, comfy chairs. Then we go to the inside. Nice kitchen, cooler, spare bed, most important airco, some a telly to watch some sport, where the magic happens. A nice comfy bed. It's a bit small but it's still okay. Own toilet, little sink. Ciao darling, ciao. And we got our own shower as well. I think it's spacious enough for 4 persons, and for this kind of money it's really perfect. So if you want to stay in Italy at Lagodigarda, make sure to check out campingserenella.com. And this is our view, our neighbors on the other side. This is a complete street. Unfortunately the truck cannot fit here, so we needed to park somewhere else. So it's our first really big day here in Italy. Yeah, we already broke the reverse button of one of the Seadoos yesterday when we put it in the water and went for a small drive. So we're heading out to one of the big malls here, which also has a hardware store. So hopefully we can find a boat and get back on the water as soon as possible. So we got all the parts we need. Now it's time to do some shopping, then get back to our camping, get the Seadoos and get the reverse bucket fixed. Okay guys, so as you can see, we lost the bowl of the reverse bucket. So that's something that we're going to fix now. Okay guys, it's finally working, so it's time to enjoy our holiday. So after fixing the Seadoo, it's time for some Italian ice. We're going now by ski to Bardolino to get the most delicious ice cream of whole Gardameer. Okay guys, so this morning we already went to Bardolino by Jetski. Now we're going to go to Bardolino by car and show you guys the view from the city. Okay guys, so that's where we parked our jet skis to get some ice cream. So this afternoon we were there, and now we're here for some dinner. Okay guys, so it's the next day. It's time to go to the Seadoos and go to a small town that's called Garda. Okay guys, so now we're heading to a small town that's called Lasize. It's another beautiful day. We're heading out to the Seadoos again because we're going to visit Isola del Garda. Skied all the way to the other side of the lake where this beautiful mansion is sitting. So we just woke up to a beautiful day. So what are we going to do today?
Wakeboarding.
So let's go! Filmt hij nou nog als hij dat rode gaat doen?
Ja.
Okay guys, so that was the end of this video.
Make sure to stay tuned for part 2 of our holiday video.
And as always guys, make sure to like, subscribe and comment down below. Also make sure that your post notifications are on as well. Thanks for watching and see you guys in our next video.